Hey everyone, this is Lorna Evans and I wanted to show you our unique Time Saver brush. I created the Time Saver brush simply because we needed to create a really great blow dry, but we needed to do it in a faster time frame. So let me show you what is unique about this brush. It's made from a ball bristle and nylon. So the ball bristle will give you the actual nice strength that you need in a brush, and the nylon will give you the shine in the hair that you need. But what's amazing is the length of the barrel is 160 mils long, which means that I can take really nice big long sections. The tip of the brush got a really nice point on it, and that's what I'm going to use to take my sections to take a lot of the time off as well.